Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at how you can download PUBG application on iPhone. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily download PUBG gaming app on your iOS device. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not to root to device, so this works in every country. So it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that every time I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your settings. Now once you open your settings, then you click on Safari. So just look for your Safari over here. Just look for Safari and then scroll down and you can see clear history and website data. You have to clear history and website data of your Safari in order to clear your iPhone storage. Now once you are done, just open your App Store. You search for your PUBG mobile over here. So now this is the application and we shall be looking at how you can easily download this application. To download this application, all you need to do is to open your App Store. Once you open your App Store, you can see your profile at the upper right corner. Just click on that, and once you click on that, you can see your Apple ID with your name. Just click on that, and once you click on that, all you need to do is to just wait for a while as it is loading. So just enter your password over here. Just enter your password and then you click on sign in, and then you sign into your Apple ID. So once you have entered your password, just wait for a while as it is loading. So just wait for a while and you can see country or region. Just click on that and then you have to wait as it is loading over here, and you can see change country or region. Just click on that. Now in this case you can see so many countries over here. You can see so many countries, but I recommend you to use Australia. So just use Australia, and once you have selected that, you can see a lot of options over here. You can see a bunch of options over here. All you need to do is to click on agree, and then you click on agree. Once you click on agree, just wait as it is loading over here. To just go back, okay, enter Australia again, and then you click on agree. Then click on agree over here. Now once you click on agree, you can see over here it is asking for your payment method in the first place. Now all you need to do is to click on none, and once you click on none, you can see your name has been entered already. So you can see my name, the first name, and then my last name over here. Now you can see the first option under the billing address. You can see the first option says street. Just click on street, and then for the street enter A, just A, and then you can see the postcode. For the postcode, all you need to do is to enter 4800. You have to fill this once at a time. You have to do this one at a time. 4800, and you can see the city or the suburb, and then you enter Sydney. Now you can see once you enter Sydney, you can see state. Just click on the state, and then you can see the state is over here down here, so you have to scroll and then enter New South West. So just look for New South. Okay, so you can see over here New South Wales or whatever it is. Now once you are done with all this option, you have to fill all these details one at a time. So sorry, you have to make sure it is on New South Wales. And once you have entered all this, you can see the phone number over here. Please, for the phone number, you have to enter everything as it is. You have to enter the phone number as it is. So you can see the phone number over here. It is 123 and then 4 5 6 7 8 9 and then 7. Enter the same thing as it is. So you have to repeat the same thing what is written over there. So 1 2 3, and you can see 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 4 5 6 7 8 9 and then 7. Now enter the same thing what is written over there. Now once you have entered with all these details, you click on next, and by clicking on next, now that's all. So you just go back and then open your okay, just click on continue, and now my location has been changed. I have changed my location, and by doing this, just search for your PUBG gaming mobile. So you can see the application over here. So now all you need to do is to click on get this application and download this special application. You can download this on your iOS, your iPad, whatever it is, iOS, your iPhone, any iOS device. So with this trick, you can download your PUBG mobile application easily. So this is very simple. Just download this application and enjoy using it. This is a very special application, so just download it. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video